Hi guys, Hosevo. Most of you are not from Singapore. This is a Singaporean way of greeting you. Today I'm going to share with you about Palantir Stock. And yes, I've invested a portion of my portfolio in Palantir, and recently I've increased my weightage in this stock as well. Do watch till the end because I'm sharing with you Palantir's recent earnings result and how someone actually paid me cash of $277 to buy Palantir stock. Yes, someone actually paid me money to buy Palantir stock, and how you can be paid as well. I'm really excited to share with you this because Palantir just released their 2021 first quarter earnings, and the results are... Come here, come nearer. In this video, I'll focus more into the future of Palantir and the recent earnings report instead of the underlying business of Palantir, because I have deep dive into the underlying of Palantir in the previous video for you over here. Feel free to watch it after this video. The recent earnings report shows Palantir revenue increased by 49% on a year-on-year basis. And this is amazing, and one of the reasons I invested in Palantir is because the root of the business is data. Palantir's customers are paying Palantir for their data. In this era, data is king. Out of the 18 most valuable businesses in the world today, most of them are data-driven. Businesses like Alphabet and Facebook are so valuable because of the amount of data they collected from the public every single day. Moreover, Kevin O'Leary, who is one of the sharks from Shark Tank, mentioned that data is even more valuable than gold, silver, and any commodities. And Palantir may be the next big thing, yeah?
What's more valuable than gold or silver or plastics or any commodity? Data. That's what's valuable. And what's data? Palantir. This stock has been taken out behind the woodshed and beaten like a baby seal. It's just terrible what's happened to it. And the way I look at it is, it's my coil, it's the spring. It's something that's going to push me back up when people realize how important it is to mine data.
In Q1 2021, Palantir's total revenue from government business grew by 76%, and revenue from commercial side grew by 19%. Moreover, Palantir just awarded a 5-year contract with a value of $90 million by the National Nuclear Security Administration. I clap for you. And I do realize Palantir has a strong pricing power, which means when Palantir increases their service fees, the customers are still willing to stick to them and continue to pay. The average revenue per customer increases 29% on a year-on-year basis. It is like the price of an iPhone has increased from $1,000 to $1,290, and people are still willing to queue up to buy it. Whoa, thumbs up for them. Solid business. Not many businesses in the world have such an ability. The good news is that the operating income increased from negative $60 million to positive $117 million. This is an increase of $133 million. On top of it, the free cash flow, which is the bloodline of Palantir's business, grew from negative $290 million to a positive $151 million, an increase of $441 million in just 1 year. Your next question will be, since the business of Palantir is so good compared to last year, then why are they even making losses compared to the previous year quarter? I wonder why as well. Let me share with you what I observed, and I bet not many people have noticed it. Come closer. Come on. Come closer. Palantir was initially making operating income of $117 million this quarter. However, the management want to reward its employees. Therefore, they issued $194 million worth of shares out to its employees last quarter. Therefore, instead of making $170 million of income from operations, Palantir is diluting its shares and having an operating loss of $114 million. I know what you're thinking. Looking at the business you own making a loss in the short term may not be a good idea. But I truly believe that this is a positive news for the long term, because think about it. The management is taking care of its employees so that its employees can take care of the customers. On top of it, the employees owning Palantir shares and having skin in the game will encourage them to strive harder for the whole business and benefit all the shareholders like you as well. Most importantly, the employees of Palantir have aligned interests with all the shareholders. Even billionaire Jack Ma mentioned that he weighs employees before shareholders.
We've been believing customer number one, employee number two, shareholder number three. And people say this is against our American investor philosophy. I remember one of the investors said, "Hey Jack, if I know you are shareholder number three, I would not have bought your stocks." I say, "Sir, please sell it."
So right now you get what I mean, yeah? Palantir stock price have dropped about 50% from its recent peak. Yet our Auntie Katie has been buying Palantir stock since October 2020 till now. And out of the 251 businesses that Auntie Katie bought, Palantir is ranked number 19 in terms of weightage. Not bad, yeah? If you dive deeper, you'll realize that Palantir is focusing a lot on sales and marketing to increase their revenue. The sales and marketing amount have increased from $18 million to $57 million, which is 3 times, yes, 3 times. Personally, I'm happy about this arrangement because sales and marketing is one of the main drivers to increase the revenue for Palantir. Yes. And this is more of an investment instead of expenses, in my opinion. So coming back to it, how did I get paid $277 to buy Palantir stock? On 3rd of May and 7th of May, I sold options to promise to buy Palantir stock at a price of $22 and $20. So in short, someone paid me cash of $277 for me to buy Palantir stock at a price that I wanted. Isn't this an amazing strategy? I've explained the details in my previous video of how I did the same strategy on Alibaba stock. I'll leave the link above and below so that you can also get paid to buy your ideal stock as well. Comment down below to share with us whether I missed out anything about Palantir stock so that our whole community can take note of it as well. Do click the thumbs up button below so that this video will push out to more people in YouTube and we can all profit safely together. Do watch this video right now to discover the exact price to buy Palantir stock based on my opinion. I'll see you there.